Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to enable secure connections on Epic Privacy Browser. If you're concerned about privacy and security while browsing the web, Epic Privacy Browser has you covered. Let's dive into how you can ensure that your connections are secure and protected. Epic Privacy Browser is designed with privacy in mind. One of the key features it offers is the ability to enforce secure connections on websites, ensuring that you're always using HTTPS when possible. Now let's configure Epic Privacy Browser to always try to use a secure connection. Open the Epic Privacy Browser. Click on the three horizontal lines menu in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Privacy section. Look for the option that says Secure Connections. Toggle the switch to enable it. By enabling this option, Epic will automatically try to establish an HTTPS connection whenever possible. If a website doesn't support HTTPS, you'll still be able to browse it, but Epic will ensure that you're always using a secure connection when available. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have secured connections set up on Epic Privacy Browser, ensuring your data is protected while browsing the web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.